Okay, all right, so we got the CSS file? You got that?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's do the CSS file, so what, go back to, can you have can you swap buffers in Vim like in Emacs? You can go from one to the other. We want to go to index.html and then come back here. So Control Z out of this, I'll show you how it is. Control Z, Control Z. So it's still there in the background. So now do less of index.html. Okay, oh, no, you don't have
It's in different direction.
CD poly. And hit Control Alt to clear the screen. Always. No, CD poly, CD to poly.
Yeah, I'm in the CSS directory. Under poly.
Oh, you are in the CSS directory.
Yeah,
Hit Control Alt. Hit Control Alt. Okay. So last dash C dot slash index dash C dot slash index HTML. Yeah. Why is
It's in the poly directory. It's just in
no, do PWD, I think you're in the wrong place, man.
No,
PWD? Alright, so you're not the CSS director.
So you want me to stay in? Oh, I did.
Yeah. Okay. So make their CSS. Oh, you do have a CSS directory.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. So that's
I was in it before. I thought you wanted to.
No, it doesn't matter. Just do lots of index.html on the current directory. That's fine too. Okay. So what we want to do is let's do a bunch of styles. Okay. So go back to your. So the thing is, we want to style title, body, and one more thing. There's a button and there's this text entry. So button class equals button default. Give the button an ID. Is it possible? Give it an ID saying button. Give it an ID. Button. And then you have an on-click there. Yeah. Oh, you do. It's all tight. Yeah, but give it an ID so that we'll find it easier to type. Or it's tighter. Is it okay with you guys for us to be playing around with this, or would you rather we just go on and do translate and other things? I'm okay. We have a lot of time because from now until the end of the quarter we're just going to be playing around with this, so we have a lot of time.
What's that?
All right.
What's that ID called?
Oh, call it something. Call it save button or something like that. Oh, yours is save underscore button. Save button. Yeah. Okay. All right. Okay, now you can go to the CSS file. FG, because it's already in your. This is your CSS file. Yeah. Okay. So the things we want to style are title. No, body. Type body first. Body. Okay, and then open brace, close brace. Let's just put in all the things we want to style, and then we'll come back to this. Okay. And then, we'll put the brace on the next line so that we're going to fill in all the things, okay? Yeah. Okay, and then what else? Title. And then text entry box. What was the other thing? Title.
What was the
text entry box. I think that's what it was called, wasn't it? All this you can control Z out of it if you want. Oh, you can do a refresh right here. You got the index.html right there. Refresh right there. Refresh here. Refresh here. Yeah, okay. No, view source. Oh, okay. Much better. What else do we need?
text
Text entry. ID equals text entry. Because we don't have a convention yet. We have to do this. Text entry. And now we need a hash before the text entry because it is an ID, not a class or a DOM one. So just put in our hash mark before text entry. Hash, not dollar. Okay. What else? We have a button, right? What was this button called? Yeah, save button. Hash save button. Okay. All right. Now, go to the body. We'll just do a few very basic customizations so that you know what to do, right? Go to the body and say font, family, font hyphen family. Font hyphen family. Go to that Google page and then here it is. Yeah, here it is. Eon assume cursive. Copy this. Here.
Oh.
triple quote and copy. Yeah, okay. Put it there. Got your font family. And say font size. Let's say the text on this page is going to be reasonably big. Let's make that 24 font size, 24 px. Yeah, maybe color. Set however you want. Gray, green, red, green. Yeah, okay. Does it need to be string or is it just a word?
Hello, odds class. This is a great class. Hello, odds class. This is a great class.
Who is this? Is this Joanna? Joanna's voice?
This is Python. 100% Python.
Oh, I see. But how do you play that on your browser?
But it's not in the browser. I'm playing that in.
Oh, it's Python running on your desktop, on your laptop.
Any device.
Yeah. Nice. All right, great. I think green doesn't need to be in quotes. Okay. All right. Now title, just like yeah. Oh, and say that for body, say text align center. Let's have a center. Text align center. Oh, all right. Title, just say font 32 or font size 40 or 30 or something like that. 42, yeah. Okay, you can leave that alone, or if you want to change colors, that's fine. Okay, this is the bit that we want. Text entry. Let's say the width of the box is 200 px, 300 px maybe. Width 300 px. No, width colon 300 px. And then the height could be, I don't know, 100, 200 px maybe. We can try and change all this later, right? Change, say scroll, overflow, auto. Is that enough? Font size maybe, yeah. Say, or text align center, maybe, whatever, maybe that doesn't inherit, right? So text align center. A margin. Well, actually, everything's centered, right? So, say padding, have some padding inside because it's not right. Padding 10 px. And then margin also 25 px. So these are separated. Okay, all right. A button, say, give it a width and a height. 50 maybe. Okay. And give it a color, background color, whatever you want. Yeah. Yeah? Oh, I see. But you haven't installed this? I see. Well, why don't you post about this? Why don't you post in the forums, right? And then we'll read it.
Yeah, just use it. And you might even have
Are you
it.
finding it hard to read this from out there, from back there?
What do you think it is?
Can you increase the font size? I think that's the easiest thing to do, right?
Yeah, but this is then there's a lot of, but this one he might.
Yeah, but there's all this additional load about one more dependency. We want to have as few dependencies as possible.
Because I've used it before here.
Yeah, but most of the rest of us haven't, right?
Like what's the programming class?
Yeah. No, I appreciate that. Thanks. Okay, all right. So good. So refresh the page. Save this. Refresh the page. See if your styles are plugged in. Can everybody see the screen? Hey, Troy, can you see the screen? Troy, good? Can you see the screen? Yeah? Okay, John, you good? Alright. Okay, alright, refresh the page. Not the source. Oh, this is the page. Oh, this is the page. Oh, there's a bug here. Okay, in your HTML, there's a bug in your HTML. Go to your HTML. Gina, I thought you had in your FG, in your background, so that's fine. Okay, let's just save that. What's going on? Button, there's a button, body, right here, duration. Head, body, tip closes. Where is the button? I don't, oh, here's a button. Okay, so, code. Oh, I bet this is not working then. This close tag is not working.
Yeah, I don't think so.
All right. So go back and change to that to a slash, a proper tag.
Yeah, it's possible, yeah.
Oh, okay. Save it and refresh. Are you good, Swan? Can you follow what's going on?
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you. Thank you.
Wait,
All right. Try that. Try now.
where,
Oh no, hang on. Something is missing. Oh, you gotta close the tag. Close the tag
Do I
here.
just, close it or?
Close the tag here. Yeah, close. Okay, everything is good? Save it. Refresh on the other side. Okay. All right. Okay, so we got some basic interface going with, you know, some orange buttons saying, now you can copy and paste stuff in there. However, is it ready to go? So we need to go and change to JavaScript. So go to JavaScript. Yeah, poly.js or something. This is all being recorded, right?
Yeah.
Oh, great. Okay. So fantastic. So even if we don't manage to get to everything. Okay. All right. So, Polly, can scroll down a bit. Okay. All right. So, signers, okay, so you got that. Where is the MP3 iteration? So where is getting the MP3? Hang on. Minor synthesize. Okay. All right. So here's what we're going to do. So this URL contains the Poly MP3 file. It points to the Poly MP3 file that we need to play. So what we'll do is in here, go in here, give me an open line there. Actually here, we will do it in the else. Actually, that's where we're supposed to do it. Right? Go to the else, because there's no error. In fact, can we refactor this a bit? So just say if error this and then return, right? Just return right here. Go to the end, return, so we can save some indentation. We do this in my programming class, you know, in C++, because indentation is always cognitive load. And then get rid of the else. No. Hang on. Okay. So get rid of the if error. Yeah.
Oh, you just
print a console log. Print a console log there, and then return.
Okay.
And yeah. Okay. There. But before return, print a console.log. Console.log. Speech synthesis failed, or say failed. Look into it, or something like that, right? Because you don't really care. We can look at the log and then debug it. Something failed. Okay. Good. Return. These things you can unindent now, right? Okay. Let's make sure that we got all the braces and everything, right? So, hang on. This is a function. It's not indented. All right. So yeah, starting from the if down there, all of this belongs to that function. So that needs to be indented 4 spaces in. Can you do that? Is that possible in VI?
Is it not?
From if here, from here. To here, everything should be 4 spaces in from S, because this is all part of that function.
Oh, okay.
How do you do that? Those are going to 8 spaces. It's okay. Yeah, okay. All right, do it. And then you have the log and stuff is also indented. 4. Okay. All right. Now this guy, the brace and the brace in the closing parentheses, the smiley guy, that needs to be indented in with S, because it's. Maybe we should just follow the Python style, which is just hanging everything off. That's kind of cool. So that's right. So that's okay. So that function closes. That's the close of the function, and then let's close of the function, and then let's close it. Okay, that checks out. Is this the end of the function? This is the speak save function. That last brace there. Is that the end of the save function?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Now let's go here to your URL, right? So what we want to do is, let's say audio equals.
I think missing one or?
No, on the previous line, we're going to get rid of these 3 lines. Audio equals new audio with capital A. No, space, new space. We're creating a new audio element dynamically, right? And URL. Right? And make that let audio or bar audio, right? Just create it. No, not there. That's new. Here, this variable.
Oh.
Okay, all right. Now audio.play should technically play that audio right now, right? However, the way that audio works in HTML, in JavaScript, is that it returns a promise. It doesn't play it because it's asynchronous, right? Because it doesn't have to wait until the audio is played. Although you can track it, you can say when it's played prior to this event, right? But so what it says is when you say play this audio, it will say yeah, I'll play it, and returns a promise to you. It doesn't actually play it immediately. But what you can do is track that promise and find out if it succeeded or not. So that's what we can do. The syntax for that, we'll just say audio.play for now, right? Just say audio.play. And if it doesn't work, we'll do the promise syntax. I need to look it up. Audio, yeah, okay. Get rid of the next 3 lines. Okay, let's try this. If the audio doesn't play, then we'll look up the syntax for, audio play promise, and then we'll wire it in. Yeah, and say something longer than just what you want, okay? So say, hello class, this is an experiment with Polly, I hope this works. Type it all in. And by the way, my name is Eliza. And by the way, my name is Eliza. All right? So let's see how we pronounce his proper names.
Hello class, this is an experiment with Polly, I hope it works. And by the way, my name is Eliza.
Okay, there you go. Right, so, except that I thought you had Joanna in your JavaScript.
Oh, I don't
You
think
had
we
Matthew?
Yeah, we haven't changed it.
Oh, I see. Actually, other cool things you can try here is, so there's a language code you can set to, Polly can speak in Hindi, right? Or German.
Let's do Romeo. Let's do Romeo.
You want to try again? Alright, we're going to have to find some Hindi text on the net. We'll find it, okay. Alright, so try Ravi. What is the spell?
Ravena.
Ravena. And then I think there's a language code. I think it's
This is Indian English.
No. Oh, okay, let's try it. Let's try it in English. And then, but I want to try Hindi, right? I want to copy and paste a Hindi document or a German document, something else, right? Let's try that too. But let's try this really quickly.
Hello class, this
No,
is
you
an
got to
experiment.
command R. Yeah. Oh, jeez.
Oh, no.
Oh.
Did you have it in your?
The text.
Just type something else. Just copy something from here. So for examples of how fonts can be. Yeah.
For examples of how fonts can be added to
Yeah, so
web
it
pages, see the Getting Started guide.
So it's done a pretty decent job on saying large samples of text. Okay, let's try a different language altogether, right? Let's try a different language. But in order to try a different language, you need to set the language setting. That's all. Okay, so go to your JS file. JS file, and I think it's the language code. Hey, has anyone looked into the language code? What is the parameter that you give for language code? Suppose I want, let's say, German. I want Polly to speak German.
German is DE.
No, but what is it? What is the dictionary? What is the dictionary key?
DE.
No, that's the dictionary value. But I want to know what this site is.
Voice ID. Which one? Which one?
I think this is something called language code.
Oh, you mean the key?
Yeah, key. Yeah, the key.
Target language code. Target language code.
It's just capital L?
Yeah. But that's not Python. I don't know.
It's language code.
Language.
What is it?
Language code.
Lowercase l?
Capital L, capital C.
Okay. And then what is the value?
For Germany, you said?
Yeah.
D dash D.
D dash D, both lowercase?
D lowercase and D uppercase.
Alright. Alright. Let's, no, not Ravina. Let's pick a German speaker. Do you have a list of German voice IDs?
I can find it.
And then, meanwhile, go to a browser window, look for a German newspaper, just grab some text off it. Is there anyone in this class who can recognize German? Anybody?
I can't.
Oh, actually,
I
sure.
can understand it, but I can recognize
Yeah,
it.
what about Mandarin? Mandarin. Okay, can someone here speak Mandarin?
I speak Mandarin.
Okay, all right. Why don't we do this? All right. So, yeah, forget about German. Can we change that to? Hey, Hitesh, can you tell me the code, language code for Mandarin?
Larry, I think there's
Or-
an extra semicolon.
Hmm?
There's an extra semicolon after the language code.
Where?
Oh yeah. No, syntax error.
Oh,
you get rid of that. And I think let's wait for what is we can basically pick that off a drop down, right?
CMN dash CN.
CMN.
Lowercase dash CN uppercase.
Okay. CMN
Voice.
dash CN. Voice.
Oh, the voice is
CHIYU.
CHIYU.
Yeah.
Chiyu.
Oh,
Okay.
really? Oh.
Is that it?
no, it's ZHI.
Oh, ZHIYU.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. ZU. Okay. Let's try that. All right. Now go to your browser. Go to a Chinese newspaper. Or something, right? I'm sure we can find restaurants there. Okay, let's go to a popular. What do you think is a popular newspaper which has lots of text on the front page?
Baidu.com. Baidu.com.
Baidu.com. Just go to Baidu.com. Yeah. Okay. All right. World Journal. Okay. Just copy the first thing. Yeah, that thing, and put it there. Some static text. Oh, here. That's red stuff.